Hi, in this video we'll be modeling various shapes. Please note that we won't be covering detailed adjustments like remeshing or object merging. Also, please note that we'll be modeling without using smooth shading. Let's start by adding a cone. Tap constant density and unlink it. Set the X value to 4. You can choose any value for Y, but even the minimum value of 1 won't distort the shape. Let's add a UV sphere. Tap constant density and unlink it. Set X to 4 and Y to 2. Let's add a cylinder. Set division to 6. Add a sphere. Change the orientation to left. Tap Validate. Select the Move tool. Adjust the symmetry settings. The values for radius and intensity are just for reference. Adjust the shape as you like. Add a box. These values are optional, but I set them to 0 to reduce the mesh as much as possible. Tap Validate. Set Snap to 45 degrees and rotate the box. Switch to the Cell Mask tool. Uncheck the box to allow masking of hidden areas. Disable symmetry. You can also change the settings using this icon. Create a mask. Set snap to 0.1. This value affects the heart shape, so please use it as a reference. We'll move on to the next step with the gizmo still visible. Check on Gizmo to add the object at the gizmo position. Add a cylinder. Change snap to 90 degrees and rotate the cylinder. Tap constant density and unlink it. These values are also optional. To reduce the mesh, I've set the divisions unrelated to the shape to the minimum. Rotate the cylinder 90 degrees to align the cylinder's mesh with the box. To keep the shape clean, I aligned the center mesh with the box. The side mesh is also nicely aligned. This step is also optional, but it helps maintain a clean shape. And in many cases, the shape holds up better after remeshing. So I often use this method. Clear the mask on the box. Select both objects. Add a mirror. In this tutorial, we'll skip object merging and remeshing. If you're working entirely within Nomad Sculpt, this state should be fine for the most part. However, if you plan to export to another app, it might cause issues. So in that case, merging or remeshing could be a good idea. If the polygons look rough, increasing the X value will make it smoother. This step is the same as in a previous video. Add a UV sphere. Tap constant density and unlink it. Set the X value to 10 and the Y value to 2. Tap Validate. Rotate it 90 degrees. Switch to the Move tool. Adjust the symmetry settings. Since we'll be deforming vertices directly, a smaller radius value makes it easier to control.